How's it going, everyone? So following my video I did showing you how I go about putting grease in a grease gun, I thought I'd show you how I go about greasing things up. So let me just wipe this off here so you can see it a bit better in the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grease this joint up here. So I'm going to push, this is the same grease gun I used in the video of putting the grease in. I'm going to push it in, it's just a manual grease gun. As you can see, it's locked in from pushing it on nice and square. And then I'm just going to pump until I see grease coming out of these fittings, these parts of the joint. So I'm going to keep pumping. You can see it coming out the top here. So as it's spewed out there, and I can see it coming out the back, you can't see it on the camera, it's coming out the back of the bottom side. And then to take it off, I don't just pull it because it won't come off, I tilt it to the side a bit and then just roll it around, roll it up, and it'll just pop straight off. So that's it really, that's all I do when I'm using my grease gun. I like to make sure the fitting's nice and clean, and then when I put the grease gun onto the fitting I do it nice and carefully, pump it till the grease comes out unless it's specified otherwise, and obviously I always make sure that I'm using the right grease for the job at hand, because there's loads of different types of greases out there. So, and lastly, when I take the grease gun off, I make sure that so instead of just pulling it off like this, I take it to an angle and then up and round like I showed you, and then that way it comes off nice and easy and reduce the chance of pulling these fittings out if they've been badly installed or cross-threaded. But that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.